Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of optimizing your daily habits based on your body clock and circadian rhythm. Have you ever wondered why some people are early birds while others are night owls? It all comes down to our internal body clock, the circadian rhythm. Brief explanation of circadian rhythm. What exactly is this circadian rhythm? Simply put, it's a natural internal process that regulates our sleep-wake cycle, body temperature, hormone production, and more over 24 hours. External factors like light and darkness influence this biological clock, so our bodies follow a 24-hour cycle. Importance of aligning daily habits with your body clock. Aligning your daily habits with your body clock is crucial for optimal productivity and overall well-being. When you work with your natural rhythm rather than against it, you can experience improved focus, energy levels, and mood. Understanding your body's peak performance times allows you to schedule tasks accordingly to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Setting the tone. This video will explore practical tips and strategies for syncing your daily routines with your body clock. From the best times to exercise and eat meals, to optimizing your work schedule for peak performance, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock the power of your circadian rhythm and take your productivity to the next level. Let's dive in. Understanding circadian rhythm. Have you ever felt more alert and productive at certain times of the day while feeling sluggish and tired at others? That's the influence of your circadian rhythm. In this segment, we'll delve deeper into the concept of circadian rhythm and how it shapes our daily lives. Natural body clock cycle and sleep-wake patterns. Our circadian rhythm follows a roughly 24-hour cycle, guiding our sleep-wake patterns and other physiological processes. This internal clock is regulated by a tiny region in the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which responds to external cues like light and darkness to synchronize our body's functions with the day-night cycle. Role of light exposure, melatonin, and temperature. Light exposure plays a crucial role in regulating circadian rhythm. Exposure to natural light during the day helps suppress melatonin production, a hormone that promotes sleep. Darkness at night signals the body to release melatonin and prepare for rest. Additionally, changes in body temperature throughout the day also influence our alertness and energy levels. Disruptions to circadian rhythm and health. When our circadian rhythm is disrupted, whether due to shift work, jet lag, or irregular sleep patterns, it can have profound effects on our health and performance. Chronic disruptions to our body clock have been linked to a range of health issues, including sleep disorders, mood disturbances, and even increased risk of chronic diseases like obesity and diabetes. Stay tuned as we explore practical strategies for harmonizing your lifestyle with your body's internal clock. Identifying your body clock. Do you ever wonder why some people thrive in the early morning while others hit their peak productivity late at night? Understanding your body clock preferences and peak energy times can be a game changer when optimizing your daily routines. In this segment, we'll explore how to uncover your body's natural rhythms and leverage them for enhanced performance and well-being. Methods for recognizing your body's natural rhythms. Various techniques can be used to identify your body clock preferences, including chronotype assessments and self-awareness practices. Chronotype assessments, such as the morningness-eveningness questionnaire, can help categorize individuals into different chronotypes based on their preferred sleep-wake patterns. Additionally, tuning into your body's signals and paying attention to when you feel most alert and energized can provide valuable insights into your natural rhythms. Tracking energy levels and identifying patterns. One effective way to pinpoint your peak energy times is to track your energy levels throughout the day. By keeping a journal or using apps to log your mood, focus, and productivity at different times, you can start to identify patterns and trends in your daily energy fluctuations. This self-awareness can empower you to schedule tasks and activities when you're most likely to perform at your best. Significance of aligning tasks with peak energy periods. Aligning your tasks with peak energy periods is critical to optimizing your performance and productivity. You can work more efficiently and effectively by tackling demanding or creative tasks during your high-energy times and saving more routine or low-energy functions for other parts of the day. Stay tuned as we delve into practical strategies for syncing your daily activities with your body's natural rhythms to unlock your full potential. Optimizing morning routine. How you start your day sets the tone for the rest. By structuring an effective morning routine that aligns with your body clock, you can kickstart your day on the right foot and set yourself up for success. In this segment, we'll explore strategies for optimizing your morning routine to maximize productivity and well-being. Activities to kickstart the day. To jumpstart your morning, Consider incorporating activities that align with your body's natural rhythms. Exposure to natural light upon waking can help regulate your circadian rhythm and boost alertness. Hydrating your body with a glass of water and engaging in gentle movements, such as stretching or a short walk, can also invigorate your mind and body for the day ahead. Start with high-priority or mentally demanding tasks during your peak energy times in the morning, when your focus and concentration are at their best. Save more routine or low-energy tasks for later, when your energy naturally dips. Setting a consistent wake-up time. Consistency is critical to optimizing your circadian rhythm and establishing a productive morning routine. Aim to set a consistent wake-up time each day, even on weekends, to help stabilize your body clock. By waking up simultaneously every morning, you can train your body to anticipate and adapt to your daily schedule. By incorporating these strategies into your morning routine, you can enhance your productivity, mood, and overall well-being from the moment you rise and shine. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your daily habits based on your body clock for a more fulfilling and balanced life. Maximizing productivity throughout the day. Have you ever experienced peaks and valleys in your focus and productivity throughout the day? Understanding and leveraging your body clock variations can be the key to maintaining high levels of productivity and focus from morning to night. In this segment, we'll explore strategies for optimizing your daily schedule to make the most of your body's natural rhythms. Concept of ultradian rhythms and taking breaks. Besides the circadian rhythm, our bodies follow ultradian rhythms, which are shorter cycles of activity and rest. These rhythms typically last around 90 minutes, highlighting the importance of regular breaks to sustain focus and productivity. Incorporating short breaks into your workday can recharge your mental energy and prevent burnout. Scheduling tasks based on energy fluctuations. To maximize productivity, consider scheduling tasks based on your energy fluctuations throughout the day. Identify your peak energy times and allocate your most demanding or creative tasks during these periods. As your energy naturally ebbs and flows, adjust your schedule to tackle fewer demanding tasks during lower energy times to maintain a steady level of productivity. Aligning work demands with cognitive peaks. Aligning your work demands with your cognitive peaks can lead to more efficient output and higher quality work. By capitalizing on your periods of peak focus and mental clarity, you can tackle complex tasks, make important decisions, and engage in strategic thinking when your brain is operating at its best. This strategic alignment can result in improved performance and overall job satisfaction. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing daily efficiency and achieving your goals quickly. Evening wind-down rituals. As the day ends, it's essential to create a calming evening routine that supports restful sleep and aligns with your circadian rhythm. By incorporating soothing activities into your evening wind-down rituals, you can signal to your body that it's time to relax and prepare for a refreshing night's sleep. This segment will explore ways to cultivate a peaceful bedtime routine for optimal rest and well-being. Recommendations for a calming evening routine. To promote relaxation and signal to your body that it's time to wind down, consider incorporating activities such as dimming lights, reducing screen time, and practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or gentle stretching. Dimming the lights in your home can signal to your brain that it's nearing bedtime while minimizing screen exposure, which can reduce the impact of blue light on your sleep quality. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine. Consistency is critical to a restful night's sleep. Impact of evening habits on sleep quality. Your habits before bedtime can significantly impact your sleep quality and overall well-being. By prioritizing calming activities and creating a tranquil environment in the evening, you can promote relaxation, reduce stress levels, and improve your chances of experiencing restorative sleep. A consistent soothing evening routine can set the stage for a deep, rejuvenating rest. By incorporating these calming evening wind-down rituals into your nightly routine, you can support restful sleep, align with your circadian rhythm, and wake up refreshed and energized for the day ahead. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing sleep habits and enhancing overall health and wellness. Aligning your daily routines with your body's natural rhythms can unlock many benefits for your productivity and health. Importance of aligning daily habits with circadian rhythm. By understanding your body clock preferences and leveraging them to structure your day, you can experience heightened focus, energy, and efficiency in your tasks. Encouragement to experiment and observe. We encourage you to experiment with the strategies and tips in this video and observe the impact on your daily routines. Pay attention to how aligning tasks with your energy levels, establishing calming evening rituals, and maintaining a consistent wake-up time influence your productivity and well-being. Your body's response to these adjustments may surprise you. promoting engagement and sharing experiences. We value your feedback and invite you to share your experiences in the comments below. Let us know how implementing body clock optimization techniques has impacted your daily life and what strategies have worked best for you. Additionally, explore related content on our channel for more insights on enhancing your lifestyle through circadian rhythm alignment. Thank you for joining us on this journey of optimizing your daily routines for success. Remember, your body's internal clock is powerful. Harness its potential and watch your life transform.